Okay, so just imagine this. It's the absolute coldest morning of the winter. You swing your feet out of bed, and instead of that, that horrible shock of a freezing floor, you just feel this gentle, consistent warmth rising up to meet you.
That's the dream, isn't it?
It really is. And that experience is exactly what we're getting into today. We're doing a deep dive into hydronic radiant floor heating. Our mission is pretty simple. Quickly get to the heart of why this is such a huge upgrade, especially if you live somewhere that gets seriously cold.
Oh, and we're working with some great material. Our insights today come straight from Pacific Blue Mechanical and Plumbing. They specialize in this for places like Surrey, BC, and also Vancouver and Langley, areas where, good heat isn't a luxury, it's an absolute necessity.
Okay, let's start right there with the basics. For anyone hearing hydronic radiant floor heating for the first time, what even is it?
In the simplest terms, it's heating your home with warm water instead of hot air.
Warm water?
Yep. The system sends gently heated water through a network of flexible tubes, it's usually called PEX tubing, that are installed right underneath your floor.
So, wait, if the water is just warm, how does it heat a room better than, say, blasting hot air from a furnace? That seems a little counterintuitive.
Right, but that's the key difference. Forced air heats the air, which rises and escapes. Radiant heat warms up the objects and the people in the room directly. The heat starts at your feet and spreads evenly. And in those tough BC winters, that's critical because you aren't losing all your warmth to drafts or up to the ceiling.
That makes perfect sense. And the source material from Pacific Blue highlights, three main parts that make it all work?
That's right. You need a boiler, that's what heats the water.
Okay.
Then you need a pump to move that water through all the tubing. And of course the tubing itself, it's all one engineered closed loop.
It sounds like a big project up front. So let's talk about the payoff. What are the big benefits that the experts list that really justify an upgrade like this?
The biggest one, long-term, is energy efficiency. It's savings. Because the system is so effective at lower temperatures, your boilers just doesn't have to work as hard. The sources we looked at point to, and I'm quoting here, significant reductions in heating bills. It's an investment that pays you back.
Okay, that's the money side. What about the feel of it, the comfort and the aesthetics?
Oh, it's night and day. First, it's totally silent. There's no furnace kicking on, no air whooshing through vents.
Right.
And second, you get to remove all those clunky elements. No radiators on the walls, no vents in the floor. It's just a clean, quiet, warm space. That adds real value to a home.
And what about this health benefit that was mentioned in the analysis? Improving indoor air quality. How does that work?
It's actually really simple. No forced air means no moving dust. Traditional furnaces are constantly blowing air, and that kicks up dust, pet dander, allergens, all of it.
So it just circulates it through the whole house.
Exactly. Since a hydronic system doesn't move the air, all those irritants they stay put. It's a huge plus for anyone with allergies or respiratory issues.
So if we boil it all down, based on the info from Pacific Blue Mechanical and Plumbing, the core findings are pretty clear. You get this amazing, consistent warmth,
Cleaner air to breathe,
and lower energy bills in the long run. It really does sound like a win-win-win situation.
It is. And to leave you with one final thought, the latest innovations that the industry experts are talking about include smart controls.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This means you can manage your heating right from your phone or a tablet, adjusting different zones in the house, maximizing your efficiency.
Wow.
It really makes you ask the question, how much simpler and more comfortable can managing your own home actually get?